Rob Frazier here. This video, probably gonna hear some cartoons going on in the background. Got to do something to keep the kiddo occupied, so I can crank this video out. This video is how to use the Perpetual Traffic Plan to promote absolutely anything. You can do this to promote absolutely anything. However, in this example, I'm going to use the Profits Passport system, the system created by David Deacle that also promotes the program Easy One Up. Easy One Up in Power Lead system has been like my bread and butter for the past 5-6 years, and this is the absolute easiest and best way that I found to promote this whole deal. So starting out, and I tell people this in my emails as well. I say step 1, create your business system, which is the whole Profits Passport deal. I'm only active in Easy One Up and Udemy solo ads, so sooner or later I'm eventually going to upgrade on all the programs, but as of right now I'm just using it to promote Easy One Up and Udemy solo ads. The issue that I tell people, when you're promoting this system, you're building this guy's email list. There's nothing wrong with that. If you're a beginner, if you don't know what you're doing, if you're not experienced doing email marketing. However, my suggestion is to always build your email list first. And that's where Lead Lightning comes in. Lead Lightning Power Lead system is the same. Both of these programs work the same. Power Lead system is the upgraded version. And if you've gone through my Perpetual Traffic Plan, days 1 through day 3, you'll know how they fit in and work together. So it's very simple. What I do is I take this link right here in the Profits Passport system. I go over here, I click the Getting Started button. Lead Lightning Power Lead system is the same. I paste the link right here and I click Update. What that does is that automatically connects your Lead Lightning and Power Lead system with your Profits Passport system. So when you promote your Lead Lightning capture page, you'll build your email list, and then 7 emails are automatically set to promote Lead Lightning, your affiliate link, and then the other 7 emails are set to promote this program right here. In this case, we're using the Profits Passport system. You'll utilize the Power Lead system Lead Lightning autoresponder, and you'll also leverage this guy's email marketing strategies as well. Now, how to use the Perpetual Traffic Plan? Very simple. You go through the Easy One Up product. You apply my framework, my 4-step framework. You learn something, you apply it. If you don't get results, you go back and learn something else. Step 2, you apply it. Step 3, you document. Step 4, you share it. And I do the same exact thing. So I'll go through the Easy One Up product. I'll go through the Lead Lightning Power Lead system product. I'll learn something. I'll apply it. I'll document, and I'll share. How do I document? Very simple. My YouTube, my blog post, my own personal social media, Facebook group, and sometimes I'll post in a David's Facebook group as well. So, how to use a Perpetual Traffic Plan: clicks, connections, and content. Content, this is a part of that documentation. This is content marketing. This is one aspect of the Perpetual Traffic Plan. The more content you have out there, the more traffic that you're going to earn. The more traffic that you earn is going to turn into traffic that you own, and that's going to turn into money you're going to make. It's just that simple. You have to just keep going. The more traffic you have out there, the more content you have out there, the more traffic that you're going to earn, and a percentage of that is always going to turn into traffic that you own. If you have gone through my Perpetual Traffic Plan day 6, you will know exactly what I'm talking about and where I learned this from Russell Brunson's Traffic Secrets book. That's content. Connections, what I do on social media is very simple. My 4-step framework: learn, apply, document, and share. After I document my results, I share it in my Facebook group. I share it on my social media profiles. I share it in other Facebook groups. And that's a part of me sharing. And then when I get people interested in my same system, I apply what I share in Perpetual Traffic Plan day 4. I apply those closing scripts to people who come to me and just run people through the closing script. And it is just that simple. So that's my connections. Lastly, clicks. Every single week I buy clicks from Udemy solo ads. And it's just a process that just keeps on going. So every single week, if I'm buying more clicks, I use a percentage of my money to buy clicks. Whenever money comes in, I always take a percentage and buy more traffic. And then I take another percentage and buy more courses. And I apply that same framework. Learn, apply, document, and share. I learn something, I apply it, I document it. What do I mean by documenting? I do a YouTube video, I'll do a blog post, I'll type it up, I'll share it in my social media groups, and that just builds my connections. And as my connections come in, I apply this closing script that I share in Perpetual Traffic Plan Day 4, run people through to close. And that's it. I do the same thing over and over and over again. That's all I do. That's the whole business model. And it's open-ended because you can always learn more information. It doesn't matter. And you can always swap out the program that you're promoting in the beginning as well. You can always swap out this program. But that being said, that's what I do. And even when I send out my emails to my email list, I say step 1, get a lead lightning account. Step 2, get your business account set up, and I'll have my link here. Step 3, go through my Perpetual Traffic Plan, days 1 through day 7. And step 4, get in my Facebook group. My own personal Facebook group where I'll mentor and share it with you. So that being said, you can swap that out with anything. ClickBank product, whatever it is you have out there. I recommend something that will get you paid daily, so that way you can grow this thing super fast. I had a $250 instant payment program that I worked in the past, and following that same structure, I made $18,000 off of that $250 program. Easy one up, you can make a lot more money a lot quicker because you have bigger product packages, but it's the same process. Whenever I make a $500 sale, a certain percentage goes back out in paid traffic, a certain percentage goes into a traffic course, and the rest goes in my pocket. And I just keep that cranking. I just keep going with that. So it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if people love me or hate me on YouTube, or on social media, or my Facebook groups, because I have a balanced business plan. I have paid traffic running, I got my content out there working for me, and I'm building connections with real people who want to do real business. If you're watching this, if you don't have a mentor, if you don't have a daily plan, if you don't know how to budget your money so that way you can grow your income smartly, I'm your guy. Click the link in the description. Name's Rob Frazier, and we'll see you in the next one.